Hello. So in today's video, we will be looking at the first 5 questions on the GCSE Maths Foundation paper. However you start the exam will determine how you are going to progress in it. So stop losing marks in the early stages and let's get through this paper. So question 1 asks us to write down 2 factors of 18. So we're going to write down all the factors of 18 as a matter of fact. So 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6. Could we go any more? 4, 5? No. So these are all the factors of 18. Choose any that you please. So let's use 3 and 6. 3 times 6 will give you 18. Next one, question 2, is to write 0.9 as a fraction. So this takes us back to our year 6 decimals of fraction. So we know we're moving the decimal point by 1. And if we move it by 1, that's 1 0 on the bottom. So we're going 9 out of 10 very easily. The next question, question 3, is to change 7 meters to centimeters. So we know 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So 7 meters will be 7 times 100. And that will give you 700 centimeters. Next question is question 4, and it asks you to write down a square number that is between 10 and 50. So we're going to think of normal numbers, and we're going to think of normal numbers outside the brackets of 10 and 50. So let's just take it from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take from 1 to 8, and then we're going to do the square numbers of each of them. So 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, and 64. So these 64 falls out of the limit, which is 50. 1, 4, and 9 fall out of the limit, which because they are below 10. So 16, 25, 36, and 49 are all square numbers that fall within 10 and 50. So you could choose any you please, as it says write down a square number, and we can use the number 25. And then the last question, question 5, says work out 50% of 240. So 50%, we know that percent literally translates to over 100. So 50 of that, of means times. So times 240. And if we just cancel out the zeros here, 24 times 5. 5 times 4 is 0. And then take your 2 to the side. And then 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 120. And your answer is 120. And that is how you solve the first 5 questions very easily on the foundation paper.